Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. Yafibu Changlei welcomes you once again. Ngasi akoina nainagadori basisu English literature gi Manipur board ki makhada leba class 10 mahiroi singi 2 mark carry toba wahang pakhum nainagadori bani ngasi nainagadori ba para asina akoina makha chathajara poina chapter number 6 The Diamond Necklace by Gaidi Mopasha. Adumba GD Mapasa haina khangna ba adumba writer mana iba The Diamond Necklace hariba akoigi Manipur board ki makhada leba school singda tamliba English literature ki pro section ki iroi loiba ajiki wari ni The Diamond Necklace hariba se asigi matungda namo akoi drama ama lakani drama dugi mamangda hek aroi boina leiba akoi prose ki fiction gi habitare masida akoi chapter maming si The Diamond Necklace kawi akoi thinda batawdana wahang pakhumda yengminasi. Question number 1. What circumstances forced Madame Loisel to marry a clerk? Kari phibam dagi masagi adumba maru oiba characters khara yauri The Diamond Necklace haribasida adugi characters singdi marungda Madame Loisel kauba nupi amakhak yauri hariba nupi sina icham chamba akoigi kerani amakhak clerk harigadi hisab suba adumba yamna achoba pham puba nataba amakhakta mayum pan nanana bai mahaki kari phibam oirambadagi palibano haibani. Madame Loisel was born into a family of clerks. She had no dowry, no expectations, no way of being known, understood, loved, married by any rich and distinguished man. So she let herself be married to a clerk. Mahayam chamcham imung amada akui maya irapki laiba imung amada polam banamaram oidana mangoda tudo hendongna chawaram ahenba maran mathum laitabani mahana sai tinari bamaru mapang boirbusu adegi mahaku khangbiba mi boirbusu ina kaya khunba masak naiba amata laitabana maram oidana ma chamchamba imung amma da adum mayum palambani habesini. Keywords ko yengminasi clerk family lesser chance habedi ngasai imung manung du maya irapki oiba yamna nungaya paba imung makti nataba yamna chauna ina kara khunba imung oidaba adumang na ngasagi mahaki ngasagi mayum pan maduriba nipa adusu yam ina kara khunba mi ma thengnajabagi mon khudong chaba leiramdaba asini anisu wang ko yengminase. Question number 2. Matilda had no gowns, no jewels, nothing. What was her feeling at her own condition? Magi mapimarol aru ananba degi sana lupa karigumba amata di leiramdre hariba sing example leiram dabasida ma kari phauge magi wakhalon kari leige habini magi phibam masida pakhum yangmenasi. She was distressed at the poverty of her dwelling, at the bareness of the walls, at the shabby chairs and the ugliness of the curtains. She felt that she was born to enjoy all delicacies and all luxuries. Adumba mahagi leiri phibam maduda mahag aduki matik sauningba pendaba ningmathumdaba phauramel mana mahagi mayumdu atopa mahaki thak maunde henba singna leiba yumga adigi mana leiriba duga gi khena baduda ma sagi mayum duda leiriba akoi phaglang makto ersu yamna taru tanan bo ijada ba adigi furniture items mayum duda leiriba ne na khara leidu su yamna amal lakai one hek toba adigi parda khalibani adigi pigi maikhanni kaina leiriba punamaktu yamna phajadaba maonda pen daba adugi ma adum ningamdaba sauningba madum poktuna leiramya mahaki wakhandadi ma kari khanjai. She felt that she was born to enjoy all delicacies and all luxuries adi ma masagi myamna masongdo phajabani pibsam oirambani na ma adumba athoi ahen adumba phajaba ahen basing ado ma phangmam thokpani ma madugi nungai badu ma phangmam thokpani ma khanjaramba adumangna sama phangda mi gupta ma kaidawi aduga matik sauningi ningba kai pendaba aduna di keywords ko kari upangi unhappy living, craving luxuries magna hingni ba punchi marial do ma pelam de ma sauninglami athoi ahen arang araktabu ma pamjarami habi aduna makhacha tharakpa wahang ahum suba mo ko yengmenase. What was M. Loisel's expectation when he brought the invitation? Adumbang asagi ahan ba ni su wahang de yaukiba aduma character Matilda hariba Madame Loisel hari sigi maki mapuroba M. Loisel hariba sina maki nupi si गिदमक्ता खंजदुना माना बार्टोन अमखक इन्विटेशन अदि ngasai program अमखक यावना नबगी माना पुरपदा बार्टोन पुरप मतमदा माकी नुपीदुना ngasai kari phawgani kari kaidawgani ana mana kari khallaga porakhiba no habini wahangsi habidi ma ki nupi du harawgadra sauningadra habidu mane mai wakhanna kari leiramge habini. When M. Loisel brought the invitation, he expected that his wife would be glad to go out and enjoy such a fine opportunity. She had never been out for so long, so he expected her delight. Mahakna khanjarambadin mahaki bapuraba M. Loisel na mana ngasai party ma yauna na wi baton mahaki nupiga loina na yauna na baton purok mikuptu da mahakna expect to wadaman asa tawjarambadi mahaki nupido madugi paudu tabada haraujani ma madugi program do function do yaujurubada party do yauru ma yamna penjagani ana ma khanjabane maramdi mahaki nupidu mayumda adum ngasai confine dawduna adum mayumda adum tara lebudu nong phadu man admaina puthokpi ga doribani haidana maduda haraujagani ana ma khanjarubane. Keywords: the wife's delight, enjoy the ball. Sai mang nu pina harau jaba dinga sai program tu yaw phangbai nungai ba adum ba khanjaram ba ni habani makha tarak ba wang amu yang minasi she threw her arms round her friend's neck, kissed her passionately, then fled with her treasure. Why did Madame Loisel behave in such a way after she borrowed the necklace? Masai gi Madame Loisel hariba koigi character ma yauri basiki mapmanabi amakaksu yauri hariba the diamond necklace hariba wari sida hariba mamanabi asidagi mahakna mahaki nipana porpa baton akui program ko yauna nabigi hariba asida ngasai mana saru yaba chatpada ngasai mahaki likon sana lupa amata leitabna maram oiduna ma yaura royena khalubada mahaki nipa M. Loisel na mahaki mamanabi adumba ina yam khunba mamanabi amakaki mafam da chalaga ngasai mahaki tangai phada ba lik adagi lei wairu nana ba hairaba matungda ngasai mahakna mamanabi dugi mayumda chaluraga mamanabi dudagi mana waiba phangjarpa mikupne matang sida wahang sida yauri matang se aduga mahakna karigidamakta adumna ngasai mamanabi duna lik parengdu waibagi ayabu pibirakpa kandu mana ngasai mamanabi dugi mangak samda kondana adagi mana ngasai chupane aduga mana haraudana masai lik parengdu puraga laamlibano na hangmane wahangse. Madame Loisel behaved in such a way after she borrowed the necklace because she was overwhelmed with delight. Being fond of luxurious things, she felt poverty-stricken while going to the party without any jewel. Madame Loisel haribasde adum barang arakta tawba adum ba athoy hen pamjaba nipi am oirambana maram oiduna mamanabi dudagi mana lik pareng adugi masagi waibagi ayawa phangpum gupta damakse adugi matik haraurambana Maldam Maramaduna never mana say mamana with the corn mene chup paneto viramaga mana sagi halakki semaki mayumda mana sagi party to the makinipana yauhan biniana high party to the mana ziki lik pering do yaudragadi ma sagi ikai near the gima mayamang the yamna lair but captain a lair but man rani high na hangui ba kudimak to has lik pering to panglabanina adu mamta oira roy habigima sagi harau jarambane aduna keywords ta delighted, fond of luxurious things atopam ana ngasai ma luxury yam pami arang arak ta tawba adumba ngaujaba mi sa amasu oira mi habiduna magi character do masak tai bani sini. Question number 5: in what sense was Madame Loisel a great success in the party? Adumba ma kinipana yahon bini haiba party duda ma mamanabi dagi lik pareng wairaga mangna yaurure haiba yaurure party duda mahak pu adukimatik mana ningba thungjagiba maki khwaide achoba mai pakpa amani se matau karamna hairiba no haibani wahang asigi today pakumako yengminasi Madame Loisel was prettier than any other woman present in the party. All the men looked at her Aksanem, sought to be introduced and wished to waltz with her. All this homage and admiration was so sweet to woman's heart. Adumba party aduda mana sarugi hariba maki mapuroibaga yauminariba party aduda tilliba nupi mayam marakudagi mana khwaidagi ithoi thoiba masak phajaba habdo oirami habani mipung khudimang na mahak po kutan tanarami mahak wari sananingami mahak maming hangami mahak ngaktang oirabasu jagoi saminaningbagi apamba loina phongdongnarami party the yauri but nipa kudimana asumba miyamna khoidaba amadi ngasai pamjaba mongdu adumakni nupi oibi ngasai arang arakta tawba magumba amana khoida jari bisu pamli bisu haibasini asumna keywords ko yengmina se matokarna ma mai pakli bano haibani mang mai pakwe maramde matokarna pak hargadi prettiest woman magna khwaidagi athoiba masu phajaba ama oirambanda adugi mongduni full of praises mayam gi thagat wa he amadi mayam na ma bu ubada unaning ba wari sananing ba jagoi saminaning ba adumba kaya du phangjaba du magna asagi magna maki mai pakpani haidana phongdopani. Question number 6. She removed her wraps before the glass so as to see herself once more in her glory. What does this line tell about Madame Loisel? Adumba ngasagi arang arak ta thawai yaujaba nupi akhoi character makhak yauri haiba parashida mapung ba principal character main character Madame Loisel haiba nupi si adumba yamna arang arak ta thawai lupcha bani habise akhoi mamangi wang pakum naina badu so akhoi thenagre aduga makha tar poina hujiki wahi pareng amukhak piri madudi mahakna mahaki mafi marol ngasagi athabadu lokthok charaga mayum yauraba mikuptani mana mingchenda mahaki saktamdo amuka hanna yingjarami and haibani masigi pareng asina mahaki kari magun natra kari mong matok tak libano haibani wahang asigi arthadi aduga pakhum makhu yangminase. This line tells that Madame Loisel is very obsessed with the beautiful clothes and glittering jewels. Those things are very dear to her and make her happier than anything. Adumba ngasagi mai arang arag ngasagi mai sanalik ko namadi phajaba mana cheluriba phirol adu da yengjaraga mana penjaba amuk nungai ba phaujaba duna kari takke hairagadi ma arang arag da yamna thawai tajaba amani habasi akoina pareng astagi uba phange adumba kaya duna maunda hena harau halli habasni koi keywords te yamina se fond of luxurious things happy adumba ngasagi luxury items ta ma thawai yaujai amadi maduna magi nungai ba ojai habasni makhatar ko wang akoi mu yamina se. Question number 7. They looked thunderstruck at each other. Describe M and Madame Loisel's feelings at the discovery of the loss of the necklace. Makhoi ngasagi lik pareng amakak mamanabi dagi makhoi wairubani magi nupana suggestion tarubadagi mana hudorubadagi Madame Loisel na wairubani hairuba lik pareng asi siraga mahaki nipagi adumba maru mapang singi makhoi achauba program amakak ta sarug yarubani adugi sarug yaruraga halakpa mikupta makhoina ngasagi lik pareng asi mangkhibani hairiba lik pareng asi mangkhibagi matangda hangba wahangni. Question number 7. They look thunderstruck at mokoi ngak na ngasagi amaga tingak yengaga leinarami haibani madugui mong mato do ngasagi sandona tau haibani ngasagi lik pareng adu mangro matungda mokoi ni na oiba phibam ado mokoi ni gi pungning wakhal mokoi ni gi phibam ado tau haibani. Pakhum yangmina si M Loisel and Madame Loisel were bewildered at the discovery of the loss of the necklace. They got worried how it could be found. They were in the same condition of mad fear at this terrible calamity. Adumba ngasagi lik pareng mamana bidigi wairuba adu mangre khangko mikupta makoi kaidarame makoi adukimatik matha sarame makoi makok ngaurame madudi mato karamna manghoribno kadai da manghoribno habigi makoi puning langtang na ba makoi awaba phaurame adumba ngasagi podadu mangre khangko mikupta da makoi se adukimatik phibam tadana ngasagi angau pheigum makoi se leirami haibasini aduna keywords the confusion trouble madudagi makoina chamam naba amadi ngasagi angak popokpa amadi madugi makhatar bdu makoina thengna gadab awaba adugi makoi matha chaba makoi ngasagi akoigi adumba khudung chada bdu akoi wahang asigi pakhumoina koina uba phangi makha chathar poina akoi. Question number 8. Loisel who had aged 5 years. Why had Loisel aged 5 years? Adumba mahaki nipa arangalak ta thawai yaujaba nupi adugi mapuroi badu who had aged 5 years mak chahi masagi manga hena hanusangre na haibani karigidam ta mak chahi manga hena hanusangre na wahang asin hanglibani. Pakhum yangmina si Loisel had aged 5 years because of huge tension building when he could not find the lost necklace. He tried several attempts but he failed to get it, and so he had lost all hope. Lozel na kari dong to mahaki mapuro ba Madam Lozel ki nupa Lozel ito na sahi mga hena han ocean gribano habagi maram day mahak na sagi lik paring ado tiba pangki do mi gupta ki mahak sagi madudagi sakalak pa matha sakalak pa duna sagi mahak si akoy ki hona ba abo hona ro matungda mahak lik paring je chumang pangmang am dabdagi mahak ki asa puno mak mahak ki dabdagi mahak se kang han hanusan ki bugum mangonda sagi ning ba kai ba adum ba pibam sok ba du utna na ba Pongdok papakum name keywords the yang minus tension no hope ngasai magi matha saba madi asamang kiba aduna ngasai magi kangan hanusan kibane haibasini wang asi pakum makoina makha sathar point ong yang minus say Madam Lozel loved to be an elegant lady. How did she look like after she had paid for the necklace? Madam Lozel had been paid to the Adum Barang Arak the Tawa Badum Bangasagi, Namna came on the labor pumps of the Pim Oirambani. Adubu, Mahak Nangasagi lik paring a makak mamana with a wide roga, Mankra Matunda Madu sing and Honaro Bamatung, Asagi Magna, Kayama Awabatin Naroga, Asagi sing Matung, the Maki Pivamado. Adum Bamatamama the Yamna came out the Narangarak, the Nozebran Pidum. Kari pibam oikrage mai saktam kari oikrage haibni wahanga sige arthade pakum yang say after Madam Lozel had paid for the necklace she looked much older than her own age with frowsy hair askew skirts and red hands she had become the woman of impoverished households strong and hard and rough adum bang asagi mamani vidagi wairu bilik paring mangkhraga makoina singna na honaro matung singbusu ngamkhraba matung da dei mag to adukki matik ahal osilami madudi magi sahi matang dagi hena ahal oiba nupi habdo oirami habani masammana mafam rang khanglamdre mapi marol taru tananba hairamdre amadi makut masanga sahi adum su nomna thabak yam kanna subugi makut masa loina sahi akogi kai bane adina traga yamna hijin bane ase makun masadu adumba yamna akogi lair ba imung amada leiba nupi amagom ngasai thabak yam suno mugi khutsa adumba oiram le haibane keywords yengmana si changed impoverished looks magi phibam honglam le haibane adumba matamada yamna arang arakta ngasai ake amogda ngaujaramba pamjaramba nupi edo chahi ngasai yamna hanusallaba mi amagom oiram le impoverished looks at the Adumba Yamna Lyra, Peter Padat Nerva Mana, Asai, Hingba Punsi Mariel, Lelu Bugum Makut Masaga, the Dumba, Pivum Sogna, Leram Lay Habesini, Makatar Wanga Moakoi, Yang Menasi, Nasiki Parasi, and a day, Akui Aruba, Wang Bakum Nena Bene. Question number 10 What would have happened if she had not lost that necklace? Try to guess what Madam Lozel's life would have been if she had not lost the necklace. Kari Tom got the gay hibernate. Karigumba mahakna mamana vidagi wairuba lik paring ado manglam drabadi habani adugumba mahakna lik paring ado manglam drabadi mahaki punchirol da mahaki punchi marel da ngasagi oi khiba phibam ado manglam drabadi kari oiramba ga ya bese hakna bhamna saraga phungdo o habani wahang sigi arthade pakhum yang nase if Madam Lozel had not lost the necklace she would not have lived a miserable life making her look much older and rough. She would have led a smooth and comfortable life. Adumba mahang na mamana bidigi, asagi arang arak the tauduna, ke mugda pam lubdi man, wide public paring aduna manki bumikuptagi de, mahaki mapunchi do, adukimatic awaba punchi marielama, lelam bado, lelam luida beni, having mamangam drabadi. Aduna, asagi mana awaba punchi marielu, lelam the batar badi, mahaki masak mong adusu, kanghan hanusan bamadi maki sahi matang di hen hal uin uram libudusu. Urum Loidabani Habasini. Adumna, Masagi Maki, Punchi Marel, Hanaga Hanago Maki Nipana, Karaga Putinjar, Bamading, Karaga, Talapo Pishadu, the Lienba Mokogi, Jam Jam Nuaina, Panba Punchi Marel do, Adumakoi, Adugi Nuabu, Pangam Gadabani Habani, Karigumba, Mahana, Likparing Adubu, Mangam Drabadi Habani. Keywords the Yemenasi, no miserable life, Adumbayamna, Akogi. Wow, Punchi Marielama, Pangam Dabani, having no impoverished looks. Mana KMO, Erangarak, Pamjava, Pazava, Kiza, Pamba, Dugi, Ona, they never mark a hallo shall live Pivum, Masagi Hanusala Libido, Oram Dabani, Habasini Pakum, Masio and Adia Quay, the diamond necklace had a bar, Aruba Fiction gets chapter number 6, Kick, Wang Pakum Makoi, 2 marks, Kerito was singing and never loire. Masio and a day, thank you.